Welcome traders. I seriously don't know why this strategy is not popular yet. It's not only remarkably simple, but also highly effective. And it comes straight from the playbook of a millionaire trader who has just unveiled his own indicator to the world. Using this strategy, you can open amazing, profitable trades like these. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 1-minute time frame to explain this strategy. This strategy not only looks simple on the chart, but it is also very simple to understand. I'm going to be explaining the strategy and the indicators used in detail. So for that, first of all, I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart. Now that our chart is empty, let's add our indicators to the chart. We will open the Indicators tab and search ICT22 Mentor Ship Model Indicator. After that, we have to click on this indicator created by Trade4Rob. This indicator looks simple at first sight, but it runs a lot of complex calculations before giving us a buy or sell signal. The ICT methodology and techniques mostly rest on 7 key concepts: liquidity, displacement, market structure shift, inducement, fair value gap, optimal trade entry, and balanced price range. These concepts are used to analyze market conditions, identify potential trade opportunities, and make informed decisions giving a buy or sell signal, which we can use to enter a market. Let's quickly see how we can read this indicator, and after that I will share the exact settings for this indicator. Whenever we will get a green triangle like this below the price, this will be a signal to buy. For example, here we got a buy signal, so we can open a buy position. And whenever this indicator gives us a red triangle above the price, like this, we can open a sell position. And this is it. Now, although this indicator gives pretty accurate signals, but no indicator should be used on its own. So we will add another indicator to the chart. But before that, we have to change some settings for this indicator. First of all, in the input section, we will remove these 2 options. And after that, we will click on the Show Liquidity options and enable it. Then if we scroll down, we will change the Structure Pivot Strength option from 5 to 6. We have to change this liquidity multiplier option from 20 to 18. We will also change the displacement strength option from 4 to 5. These are all the settings we will be changing for this indicator. Now we have to apply another indicator on the chart. So we will click on the Indicators tab again, and we will search for DD Index improved with QQE. After that, we have to apply this indicator created by Ji Hong Lim. First of all, let's change the settings for this indicator, and then we will see how we can read this indicator and use it in our strategy. So in its settings, in the input section, we have to change this short length option from 3 to 5, the medium length option from 8 to 10, and then this long length option from 20 to 21. After this is done, we will click on the Style section, and here we will remove these 2 options from our chart. And also, if we scroll down a bit, we have Plot Background options here. We will also remove this from our chart. This will make the indicator easy to read and understand on the chart. Finally, we will change this plot option from dots to line form. These are all the changes we will be doing in this indicator. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. This indicator consists of the combination of 2 well-known and tested indicators in trading world. For those who don't know, the DD Index is a powerful indicator used to trade in trending markets and to determine market reversals. And the QQE indicator is a momentum indicator used to detect the trend in sideways market. It is similar to the RSI indicator, but with additional 2 volatility-based trailing stop lines. So this indicator consists of a simple DD Index indicator, which is enhanced by adding an additional signal line calculated from QQE trailing line. Now that our chart is set and we know how the indicators work, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for the ICT indicator to give us a buy signal, just like this one we have got here. And then we will confirm this signal with the help of the DDQE indicator. And for a buy signal to be valid, this line should be green in color and also above the 0 level. Finally, the market should give a green candle for final confirmation. As you can see, all our conditions are fulfilled. So we will open a buy trade here. Our stop loss will be placed at the recent swing low of the market, which will be right here. and the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Make sure you follow these money management rules strictly, as this strategy is used on 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. So this is very important. Now, let's go through one more buy trade example. Let's see the results on the Ethereum chart. Here we have got a buy signal from our indicator. And down here, the DDQQE indicator has also confirmed the signal, as the line is green and above the zero level. And we have also got a green candle. So I will open a buy trade here following the money management rules explained. As you can see, this strategy is extremely simple, but at the same time very effective. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So for a sell trade, first of all, we will wait for the ISET indicator to give us a sell signal. And for the confirmation of this signal, we will want the DDQU indicator line to be red in color, and it should be below the zero line. Finally, we will want the market to form a sell candle to open a sell trade. So as we can see, all our conditions are fulfilled. We can place a sell order, as I have done right here. For a sell trade, our stop loss is to be placed at the recent swing high of the market, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. Now let's see if the market will hit our target or not. And after some time, the market easily hit our take profit target, making this a profitable sell trade. In my experience, this strategy gives less signals, but the accuracy rate is very high. Here we got another sell signal, which is confirmed by the DDQQE indicator. So I will open a sell position at the sell candle formed here and follow the explained money management rule. If you guys feel like this strategy can be improved by the addition of another indicator, please feel free to share your suggestions in the comments. If you like this strategy, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon if you want to see more amazing trading strategies. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.